Starting next month, Apple will roll out its new Apple Intelligence features with the iOS 18.1 update, but availability will vary. The features, initially accessible only to users in the US, will eventually expand to other English variants in December and additional languages like Chinese, French, Japanese, and Spanish next year. Supported models: iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16 models. Requirements: iOS 18.1 for gigabytes free storage and a supported Siri language. Regional restrictions: European Union. Apple Intelligence won't be available if your Apple ID is tied to an EU country or if you're physically in the EU. A workaround involves changing your Apple ID region, but it requires resetting your iTunes balance and subscriptions, among other inconveniences. China. The features won't work on iPhones bought in mainland China or for users with a Chinese Apple ID. Reasons for delay: EU. Compliance with the Digital Markets Act (DMA) is necessary for fair competition and data privacy. China. Stricter data privacy laws conflict with Apple's privacy standards. Features to expect: writing tools, smart writing suggestions, photo cleanup, automatic organization, memory movies, curated video highlights, natural language search, advanced search in photos, notification summaries, reduced distractions, smart replies, AI-generated responses, Siri Enhancements, improved voice and request handling. The timeline for availability in the EU and China remains uncertain as Apple continues to navigate regulatory hurdles.